Spicing up your English. Enjoy the journey with Enjoy. Hello learners. Welcome back to our series on expressing preferences in English. Today, we're focusing on a fantastic verb that allows us to express our likes in a more vibrant way. Enjoy. This word is simple but powerful, and can greatly enrich your English conversations. So, let's dive into it. First off, let's look at what enjoy means. Enjoy is a verb that expresses taking pleasure or delight in something. It shows that you like something and find it enjoyable. For example, you could say, I enjoy reading books, which means you find pleasure in reading books. Remember, enjoy is usually followed by a gerund, a verb in its ing form, or a noun. Using enjoy with gerunds is quite popular in English. When we say a sentence like, I enjoy swimming, swimming is a gerund, a verb that is working as a noun. Notice how the word enjoy is followed by an action, swimming, reading, singing, etc., in the ing form. So, when you talk about activities you like, try using enjoy with a gerund. Just as you can use enjoy with gerunds, you can use it with nouns too. For instance, I enjoy coffee, or she enjoys music. In these examples, coffee and music are nouns that the speaker finds pleasure in. This is a very natural and expressive way of sharing your preferences. Enjoy can be used in questions too, like, did you enjoy the movie? It's a great way to ask someone if they liked something. Similarly, enjoy can be used in negative sentences to express dislike. I didn't enjoy the party implies that you didn't find the party enjoyable or fun. That's a wrap on our exploration of the verb enjoy. Remember, whether it's a hobby, a beverage, or a piece of music, if you take pleasure in it, you can say you enjoy it. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson and that it helps you express your likes and preferences more eloquently in English. Stay tuned for our next lesson where we will look into another way to express preferences, using the phrase, be fond of. Until then, happy learning!